Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create kid animation using AI. So make sure you watch the video to the end. First AI tool that we are going to use is the ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be used to create scripts. So you can just tell to ChatGPT to write a script or a topic, story, video scripts, and you can either specify the time or just don't. After that, it will give you the scripts and those are the dialogues. So basically, after having these dialogues, you will need just to go to Credo AI. Here, you will need just to create your own account and then you will just click on start for free, go to create or just project, text to speech, and here you will need just click create text dubbing, and for each reply, so for example I have this first reply here. This is the text that I want to be as an audio, so we can create the audio for our kid characters or story character. Then you will need to start audition, and basically you can adjust the tone and adjust the speech, choose any voice timbre and also the languages. So here, after you finish it will be necessary to finish the whole dialogue audition so you can be able to confirm. So you need, please listen first. So we need just to listen to the whole dialogue, and after that we will be able to confirm. We confirm. We have our speeches here. You can start calling them or rename them so you can be able to recognize them. You download it to your account, go to Adobe Express, and of course you need to create your own account. Quick action, go to animate from audio. You click on animate from audio, start now, and then you will need to choose any character that suits your story character. So for example, we are going to have this Bobby or whoever was the character that you would like the truffles, and then go to background. Make sure it is unicolor or transparent. It's preferably to be a transparent character or background so we can be able to remove it easily. Then you click on browse, you go for the audio that you have, you just upload the audio. We wait for the animation to apply on this character, and you will see that the character will start moving. So as you can see now, our animation is starting to be created. So now our animation that has finished, you can see if we start, our character start like moving. Now you will need just to download. So this is enable for transparent background. So you might choose either to have a unicolor background or just open it in Adobe Express if you want, or if you would like to download it. Then we will need just to go to the Canva. Then you will start a video Canva. So basically, for each frame, you will need to upload all your animations. So here I'm having some video. I have another animation that I had. So here we can have it. So imagine this is the rabbits that we had. And of course, we need some to set up like the background or the situation or the place for the scene. So we go to elements, you choose any elements that you want. For example, I wanted snow since this is a snowman, and for the rabbit, you can have a forest or any garden that you would like. So I'm just going to search for something animated, see all photos. Here I can choose from this picture or animation, animated or animated or drawing, draw, and basically I can choose from any background that I would like. For example, here I will set it as a background image. Of course, this is not suitable at all for my scene, but you get the idea. So let's just go back to our snowboard and choose this snow here. make it, set it as a background image. Of course, we will need just to remove the background from this video. You can use either some background eraser for videos, and after that you will start animating your character. So let's suppose it's moving, so we are just going to create animation. We hold and start moving our character. So let's suppose it's go to this place. We will need just to have click play. You will need just to play with your animation however you like. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.